Oh my gosh, what is happening? Oh. Okay, question number 22. As part of a survey, 300 girls were asked to name their favorite sport. The results showed that 12 of the girls named bowling as their favorite sport. What percentage of the girls in the survey named bowling as their favorite sport? Okay, so how many girls do I have total? 300. So this is bowling over total girls. 12 out of 300 picked it. It's asking for the percentage. Okay, what is the percentage out of 100? What did I do to this 300 to get 100? Divided by 3. What's 12 divided by 3? 4. Okay. This is kind of tricky because this right here is telling me that 4 out of 100. Okay, how do you write 4 out of 100? That's 400. Look at your answer choice. Okay, I don't have any idea what happened there. Okay, look at your answer choices. You have this right here, which is trying to trick you. And did you know that 10% of the kids let that trick them last time? No, hello. That is not the same as this. How am I going to change this 400ths to a percentage? I'm going to move the decimal 2 places to the right, which is technically just multiplying by 100. So easy. Okay, if you pick 12% on this one, which 30% of kids did last year, that was just like not even trying. And then 25%, you know that 25% would be a fourth, and 12 is way less than a fourth of 300. Okay, that's pretty easy. Don't miss that. 23. A county with an area of 425 square miles has a population of 9,350 residents. Which rate, that right there tells me I'm going to do a WKU, best represents the relationship between the population on the county, the population of the county, and the area of the county. Okay, so you have a WKU. Okay, you have miles over people. In 425 miles, there were 9,350 people. Okay? Right? I want to know how many people there were per mile. Okay? What did I do to this 425 to get 1? Yes, I divided by 425. So what I do to the top, I do to the bottom. So you're going to take 9,350 divided by 425. So I know that'll go in there twice. That's 10. It's 4, 5. That's 8. 0, 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. So that's 2 again. So I know that there are 850 people. No, 22 people per square mile. Okay, look right here. Look at this answer choice right here. 22 square miles per resident. One person. No, that doesn't make any sense. They're trying to trick you. So it's 22 residents per square mile. Think about how big a mile is. Does it make sense that 22 houses could be along that? Yes. Look right here. They're thinking that you are going to be tricked because you're going to get this 425 here and think that's your answer. But no. Now, could you imagine there being 9,000 residents in a square mile? That'd be like living on top of each other. Okay, the table shows a relationship between D, the amount of money Alice has at the beginning of each day, and W, the amount of money she has after riding the bus to work. Okay, so she has this much money every day when she starts, When she finishes, she has this much money because she has to ride the bus. Which equation represents a relationship in the table? So what is happening between here to here? That's what it is asking me. This says W, which is this right here, equals this number plus, this number plus 125. Well, is that true for that? 1575 plus 125 is not going to give you a smaller number. Okay? 1450, which is this number, times D, this number, plus 125. No, that makes no sense. Okay? 1575D, so 1575 times D, the number of days, okay, that's the day 1, minus 125. Well, yeah, that'll work here if you substitute in a 1, but it's not going to work all the way down. Because if you were to take 1575 and multiply that times D and then subtract, no, it's not going to work. So let's see if this works. The day minus 125. So the bus cost her 125 per day. Is this taking away 125 each time? Yes, so that's the only answer choice that works. Okay, did you see how I just had to work through all of them all the way down and just kind of substitute in and plug in? That's what you're going to have to do on those kind of questions. 25. Now this makes me kind of sad last year on the amount of kids who got this wrong. Okay, this shaded model represents 100%. Okay, so if this shaded model right here this shaded model right here represents one whole, okay? It is saying which model represents 33 1/3%. Well, you know, because 33 1/3% is 1/3, okay? This doesn't mean 33 little holes and 1/3 of another one. This right here would be 1, 2, 3, and 3/10. That's what that says. Almost every kid last year picked that. 36% of the kids last year picked that. Okay? This is 1, 2, 3 holes and 1/3. So this is 3 1/3. That is not what that is asking you. It is asking for 1/3 of this. Okay? This is a hole. You're looking for 1/3 of this. Okay? This right here is, that's not, no. This is 1/3. This is a freebie, guys. You just shouldn't even have to do anything to get that. Okay, I'm not real sure. So I had an interruption. Number 26, the table below shows a relationship between perimeter and the area of 4 squares. Okay. Write an equation that can be used to find A, the area of a square that has a perimeter of P units. Okay, well this is kind of confusing. Which equation can be used to find A, the area of a square that has a perimeter of P units? So let's look at this one. Area equals perimeter divided by 4, which that would give you the length, times perimeter divided by 4, which that would give you the other side, multiplied together. Well, I think that's going to work because area equals length times width, or base times height. So if you had a perimeter of, I don't know, let's just do this one. A perimeter of 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So that worked, okay? So let's plug in another one to see. 8 divided by 4 times 8 divided by 4. That's 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So that worked on the second one. Let's see what this one's going to be. I think this is going to work. Area equals P minus 4. 4 minus 4. Nope, that won't work. Area equals perimeter plus 4. No, that won't work. Area equals perimeter. No. Okay, so that one started off kind of tricky because it was just kind of worded weird. But when you got in there and started doing it, it was pretty easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's 5 more questions, so I'm going to stop there, upload this video. Keep working hard. Okay, bye.